Today we're going to be making teriyaki chicken.
First, we're going to need 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and then we're going to need 2 tablespoons of honey, some sugar to sweeten everything up, gotta add some spice because we're not white, and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Some garlic that I didn't chop up because I was lazy. Stir, stir, stir. Using scissors because I'm lazy and I don't want to wash another cutting board. Please don't judge me. Rip me at the plastic because I'm acting brand new. Sprinkling flour dust all over. Gotta rub it real nice. Get all the cracks. Get in there. What's that face I was just making? And 3 feet away because I added too much oil. Put a cover on. Add the teriyaki sauce and continue cooking. Stir, stir, stir. Then we need to plop it on the cutting board. Ooh, look how nice and steamy it is. I should have used chicken thighs, but I only had chicken breast. I prefer thighs over breast. Put it back in the pan with all the extra sauce. Keep cooking it. Ooh, and now it's all done. Look at that juicy, nice, wet chicken. What should I make next? Comment below.